Chef John Llanes today will be showing us how to fillet and prepare wahoo for a great dinner.
The teeth. Yeah. Here we have the wahoo. South Pacific wahoo. Fijian wahoo. And what are we doing here, John?
Taking out the skin.
The skin?
Yeah.
The skin doesn't taste very good?
No, it doesn't taste too good.
Very fresh steak.
Yeah.
There's one fillet. Comes off easy.
Yeah.
One.
Yeah.
Two.
Oop.
So this is good for barbecuing.
Barbecue, sashimi. We make soup, a sashimi soup, like an Italiano soup. Italian soup. I'm used to normally do everything with this. So the white flesh, real good eating. Real flaky. I mean, only thing you cannot overcook them, huh? When you cook
So you can't overcook them?
No, you can't overcook.
What's a good?
Wahoo, you gotta get good medium heat on them, and you always gotta watch them, huh? Because they can cook real quick on you, huh? Because they're not bloody fish, huh?
Right. There is no blood here.
No, not like yellowfin tuna. Because yellowfin tuna would have been mass murder in here right now. Fijian style, boy. Yeah, would have been mass murder, boy. Styling and profiling right now.
Okay, so what do we have left here?
Yeah, got the carcasses, got bone,
So,
eggs.
oh,
Here's
she's
the egg.
female.
Yeah.
Right there's
The
a.
stomach. Yeah.
So these
liver.
Are, this is the eggs.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, liver. Yeah.
Liver there.
Liver, yeah. That's your main intestine. Where all the you know,
That's
the
the
good
intestine.
stuff come out from.
And what's that green stuff there?
That's your liver. That.
Oh, that's the liver
yeah,
stuff.
Liver. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow.
Other than that, she's healthy, ready for battle. You say goodbye to her.
Goodbye, and we don't touch the head.
No. We don't go near none of that thing. No.
So the head, what happens to the head?
Usually I give them to Baba. All the family, they love the head.
They like head?
Oh,
They love head.
they make soup out of them,
Fish
curry,
head soup, you
and-
know?
Yeah,
It's the best.
it's a bomb. See? All folded up neatly and say hello.
Hello.
There you go.
And now we're cleaning up the fillets even more. So this can feed about 15 people.
Barbecue wahoo tonight.
What kind of sauce?
Cream dill sauce.
Ginger sauce?
Cream dill
And what
sauce.
kind of soup?
Tonight's soup can be Sicilian soup.
Okay.
Siciliano soup.
You sure we have
Yeah, look, you like
fresh tomatoes?
Chowder.
Mm-hmm.
Chowder soup tonight.
Yeah. Fish chowder?
Yeah.
Beautiful job, John.
Fresh from the sea, you know. Didn't get any fresher than this.
Sun
It
Kiss.
gets fresher than this, it's no good.
Or Star, what is that company?
Star Kiss.
Star Kiss.
Star Kiss.
Yeah,
I think
Charlie.
Charlie the tuna?
Yeah,
Charlie.
Charlie tuna
Charlie the tuna.
out of Samoa.
Out of
Yeah,
Samoa.
out of Samoa. Yeah. And the factory, they closed them down already, huh?
Yeah, it's already closed down.
Oh,
Oh,
Come on.
yeah, that's
cut one piece for her.
coating the knife with oil, olive oil before cutting. Now, what does the olive oil do for the knife?
Oh, it just cuts them easier, slide them. The blade gets through quicker, huh? And not only that, but seals the flesh better, huh? from any outside, you call bacteria or whatever they call them.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Well, other than that, no. Just gets the knife a little bit smoother through the filleting motion. But the fish is so fresh right now, so it's rubbery, huh? Very rubbery.
The fish is only an hour and a half dead.
Yeah, so we gotta let the enzymes break down in the meat, and then it should be alright. In about a couple hours, good to eat, huh?
Was that scrap over there?
Yep. Mm-hmm. Scrappy. You like kill them off immediately. I mean, oh, that's not good.
Oh, look at those nice little fillets.
Leo. These filet fish, brother. McDonald's style. Fiji McDonald's style.
It's a lot of fillet.
Yeah.
Now, what do you do differently for sashimi?
Sashimi, well, right now I'm going to just let them settle down, let the enzymes break a little bit, get the meat kind of tender by itself also. And then once I get them done, then I'll cut them in, I cut them in block almost like this. Get them in block size.
Mm-hmm.
Enough to get, down to bite sizes. So this would be a fillet for the sashimi right there. That's
About that, like
main
Or capriccio.
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 Yes, good for sashimi right there. Yep.
that's perfect.
Sashimi.
Slice it down nice and thin.
Yep.
Now you do shoyu with wasabi.
That I can't tell is my secret, but
Oh, you have
yeah.
secret. Now, do
Sorry.
you do poke also with?
No,
only
not
with tuna.
No, only a jellyfin tuna.
What do you have in here, John? What we mixed?
What we got is one of some good recipes we came up with. Makaira Resort. Got olive oil. You got lemon basil in here. You got garlic, a little oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, and a little black pepper, and easy marinade. Real easy. Then you marinate your Wahoo in here for at least an hour. I usually marinate them for about half an hour or so, and take them out of the marinade. And we chill them down in the ice box for at least a good 6 hours.
6 hours
Yeah,
of marinade.
6 hours. Yeah. But right now we don't have 6 hours. We might get 6 hours though. Yeah, you should be right by tonight. Parking them at the lemon. It's almost like a ceviche kind of style of cooking. Huh? Only thing the lemon does part of the cooking.
John put a little bit of olive oil on the top of there.
Saran wrap.
Saran on top of the saran wrap.
Size of it.
So we got a little bit of fish here,
Garlic
and we're going to cut it up into what for the chowder?
we'll cut them up in cubes. Fish chowder.
Wahoo fish chowder.
Water fish chowder, heavy cream and all that good stuff.
So we got 2 onions to start off the chowder.
Yeah. Cubes. Right. I'll make this in a cool here. You don't use the bitter part. That's the bitter part.
No bitter onion.
No bitter onion. No.
Now, is this a Fijian onion?
No. This comes from New Zealand.
Oh, it comes from New Zealand.
Yeah, New Zealand, Australia. Yeah. So are the potatoes.
Like 4 cloves of garlic?
Yeah, correct. 5.
5 cloves
Yeah.
of garlic. Is that enough, or do we need more?
No, that's it.
Okay. You don't need more heartburn?
Garlic, good for you. Ooh. You love
Boy, look
garlic.
at that cleaver. Whoa.
That as a chef, you gotta get plenty of knives, boy. Oh, I love my knives. And, well, you get knives for every different thing to do, huh?
Now, were you a chef somewhere before this?
No. Just mostly family chef mostly. Big weddings in Hawaii, and learned from my family, huh?
Okay.
Learned from my family, cook all kind of weird, Hawaiian, Filipino, you name it. Yeah. Learned from, I come from one of the largest families in Hawaii, so you learn a lot. You learn how to build, how to cook.
So we just poured in a little red wine.
About 2 tablespoons.
2 tablespoons into that little bowl.
Seasoning.
It's an Italian seasoning.
Yeah.
About a teaspoon.
Teaspoon.
Oregano.
Yeah.
Now this is all very obviously loose. Then a little olive oil.
3 tablespoons of olive
3
oil. Can't go
tablespoons.
with all olive oil. After my massive heart attack, olive oil is good for you. No cholesterol, huh?
So all that's going in except the fish.
Except the fish.
Let the fish be. So how long do we saute the onions?
Usually about a minute or so, just to get all that aroma out from the onion, the garlic. You want to get that aroma out, about a minute or so. Once you get that aroma out, the fish goes in and rock and roll. And after that, then we fry the fish for about just to get the flavor out of the fish. We fry them in maybe about a 2 or 3 minute time lapse, and then we start adding water in them.
Okay.
8 cups of water, and then from there on we put our celery, our carrots, our beans, all goes in, and then we simmer that for another hour, and then then we turn the stove off. Of course, turn the fire off. Let them rest for a little while, for about an hour, and then our last one goes in is the potatoes. Potatoes can take about half an hour to cook. So then we get the heavy cream that goes in and makes the whole sauce come out
Real thick and creamy.
Oh man.
It's another heart attack.
Yeah, there you go, buddy.
A little more oil. And we're still sauteing.
Yeah.
Do we put the fish
Now
in?
we put the fish in now.
So how long are we going to cook the fish for so it doesn't
Fish is
overcook?
going to be about 5 minutes. Yeah.
Okay, 5 minutes
So
of
it
cooking.
turns color to get that white color. And
Oh, as soon as
then
it's white.
Yeah.
But it's already a white fish.
Yeah. Still not the same. You see the
Let me zoom in here.
clay white. That's what.
Okay. That looks good. Well, it looks cooked to me, like it's not.
Not yet. Almost
Okay,
there.
we just put some water in up to that level. So we just cut up some carrots and some beans, put it in as well. And a little bit of celery is going to go in. Do you
Yep.
dice it or do you do
No.
the whole chunk?
Yeah.
So is this just for flavoring?
Yeah.
Okay. And then the beans and the celery and all that comes out?
Come on.
Okay.
And then in about 1 hour from now, the potato goes in.
The how many potatoes are you going to put in?
2.
2 potatoes, but the potatoes stay in the
we let
chowder?
them simmer for another hour, and then turn the stove off, and we're done. Until about 6:30, or after I heat them up again, just to serve. Huh?
Nighttime couldn't come soon enough, and here we have the chowder. Oh boy, is it good! Followed by the sashimi, which was mouth-watering and melted in the mouth. And then a salad. And then we cooked up the wahoo on the grill, nice and hot with the waves crashing right below. And then it was served up with pineapple chunks and a nice bowl of rice. If you have any questions, contact John Llanes at Makaira Resort on Taveuni Island in the Fijian Islands.